Hello everybody. Hi. Hello. It's nice to see you. Guess what I bought? I have here my Act Lovesick merch and I'm very excited, so let's get into it. So I got a few things. T-shirt, oversized shirt, photo binder, Photocards, and full cut photos. I'm thinking let's start with the shirts. Starting with the t-shirt. This was the one I was most excited about. I have the Mower Together Fan Life shirt and the quality was good, so I had absolutely no problems ordering another one. Some photo cards we'll look at in a second. Regular Tomorrow by Together tag. I love this logo. And it's got a here tie-dye tag on it. Very good. So let's check out these unit PCs. First one we have the Lonely Boy unit. Back. And the There's a Child Has Far to Go unit. Very cute. Oversized shirt time. Well, I just couldn't resist. It's winter now in Australia, so layers are paramount. And this also has some photo cards, but can you see how bent they are? Love that for me. Take a look at those in a second. The same tags. It's got the same tie-dye tag on the pocket here, which is a nice detail. Fabric is very synthetic though, so if you're not into that, then well, I don't know what to tell you. It is otherwise good quality. Nice touch, and the back at the bottom it's got that little logo. To be honest, I haven't looked to see if any of this footage is even in frame or usable, so it'll be a fun surprise while I'm editing. Let's open this. So I only got the one photocard binder. I got Soobin. We also got the actual Soobin binder. Okay, cover your ears while we get rid of this plastic. I guess I'm talking through opening it, so maybe don't. Maybe I'll just leave this all in. Torture you all. Oh, this is cute. That's very cute. I like this more than I thought I would. These pages are notorious for not being acid-free, but it's not too concerning as long as you sleeve your cards properly. These are perfectly usable, and I'm thinking I might put all the extra PCs I get from the PC set in here that don't go in the main binder. So let's see if this is... I might have to dig at this. Okay. Here is binder PC. It's that very thin paper, similar to like the Freeze uniform PCs. So they're not thick like the tour PCs. Back. Did I even show this properly? There's the front, there's the back. And there's the spine. It is very cute. Look, I wasn't planning on filming today, so it's a bit of a mess. Oh, I didn't look at the shirt PCs. Let's get into that. Soobin. These are cute. These are very nice. Engine. I must say I do like all the design for the tour, like the love heart and the logo. Very cool. Although I like all of the design for TXT, to be honest. Next is the full-cut photos. I'm quite a fan of full-cut photos. You know what, I'm just going to talk over me opening this plastic as well. You're just going to have to deal with how bad my audio sounds. Sorry everybody. But I'm a fan of the full-cut photos, and I'm thinking of setting up a separate binder just to display them. These are nice. These are very thick and good quality. The back is just the Tomorrow Back Together logo. So once again, no idea if you can see it well, but this video's just a bit rustic. Alright, lucky last. Some might say best. Certainly what a lot of people are interested in. The Photocard sets do have a tendency to sell out very fast. They haven't restocked yet, but they very well might before the other tour stops, so I guess keep your eyes on the Weverse announcements for that. This set here is the special gift set that will have the selfie photo cards. Look how good the inside of the box is. Very cool. So here we go. See, these are very good quality, thick cardboard. In fact, they might be even thicker than their previous sets of tour cards. Ooh, shiny, but very off-center. That's a shame. That one's better. Rip to Soobin, I guess. Very pretty. I wasn't expecting shiny, but I'm into it. Ah, look how good. Very pretty with all the flowers in the background. This is off center too. I'd do better. Okay. Should I just leave these in frame? Why not? Like I said, this is a very rustic video. So, you know, we'll all just deal with it. Okay. Let's just go through the rest, shall we? With Moa Together, they were pretty good with giving you most of the cards, and I only had to get one extra. So let's see if we get the same such luck. Once again, the box is very cool. Yeah. Soobin special card with the little message on the back. Soobin pile, the Yunjin pile, and the Pumpkin pile. Ooh, and the unit pile. And this time for the unit card, instead of doing, well, they have 6 each, instead of just 3 for each unit. Ah, it's so beautiful. So far, so good. Special. It seems like so far we're going to get them in order. No, immediately wrong in saying that. So this is card 4 and the rest were 2. So they're not in exact order. Interesting. C5. It might help if I show you instead of just looking at them myself. That's a very good card. All they had for this photo shoot was a white shirt and a dream. And no, I'm not going to straighten the piles because I've already said we're going fully unpolished today, so you're just going to have to deal with it. Oh God. I know how to make videos, I swear. Doubles. Well, we're going pretty well for the units. If this is the only sideways card, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Some of the units are sideways, but if there's one out of all of these, that's going to look so annoying in a binder. Because some of the members we've got no doubles for so far, but some of the others we have. So it does seem like it's a bit more random this time than last time, which I do not like. And seeing as I technically only collect Soobin for these, the fact that I'm pulling so many doubles for him is a bit of a bummer. Here's another sideways one. Very last one. Okay, let me just organise these in a row so we can see what we're missing for each member. Well, that is everything I got today. If you've watched this far, thank you. What are you doing? I know that this was a bit of a disaster video, but that's okay. Hopefully it gave you a good idea of what the merch is like, so if it does restock, you can go ahead and get whatever, or if you're going to the concert in person, firstly, lucky you, I'm not at all jealous, thanks, but they'll have this in person at the shows, so you might be lucky enough to pick something up there. For now, goodbye.